Hello everyone, welcome back to Almost Taste. Thank you so much for tuning. In today's menu, I will be showing you how to prepare simple cupcake, that is grab and go cupcake with one healthy flour, which is oatmeal. Yeah, I also use chips of chocolate to decorate it to make it appetizing for the kids, and it came out very nice. You will like this, the kids will like it. In fact, it's a all the way healthy meal. Let us dive into the kitchen. I will be introducing the ingredients while I will be pouring it in the blender. I have 2 eggs here. I have oil, I have baking powder and sodium baking powder, ice cream, avena flour, corn maize. I will be adding them into the blender, all of them. I just added the 2 eggs. I'll go ahead and add 60 ml of sunflower oil. You can use vegetable, you can use olive oil, or you can use butter if you wish. All of them work. If you're using butter, use 2 tablespoons. I'll go ahead and add yogurt. I'm adding banana yogurt. You can use Grigo yogurt. If you don't have yogurt, you can substitute them with banana. I'll add 100 grams of brown sugar. I'm adding a teaspoon of cinnamon. You know cinnamon goes very well with oatmeal, so it tastes very good in it. Next is to pour in the 2 tablespoons of corn flour and add in the 1.5 cup of abina. Abina is what they call it in Spanish, so it didn't come out very fast, the English word, so I use abina, which is the oatmeal flour. So I'm going to blend everything to mix, combine thoroughly. Once that is that, I'll go ahead and bring out the pan, and I'll be adding or placing in the parchment cupcake pepper in it. If you don't have parchment pepper of this cupcake, you can also pour it directly to your pan. Just grease it with oil and that will be fine. So I'll go ahead and distribute them. I was trying to make a measurement of them to be the same equal, but it didn't work out. It doesn't really matter. And once they are done, I'm going to be adding a little of the oatmeal on top of it. It's not really important, but I just wanted to make it look appetizing to the kids, you know. you invite them with how it look first. Yeah. All right, after that, I'll go ahead and add some chocolate chips also in it. This is also to make it appetizing for them. And already the oven is preheating. I'm preheating 40 minutes, 180 degrees centigrade, and it's going to preheat for 10 minutes. I'm baking in total for 30 minutes because when the oven is preheated, it goes in and it starts popping up immediately. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. And here we'll pop it in the oven. I didn't fill the other pan. Yeah, it's left over, and that is it. And look at them, they have already started popping up. And here they are out. Yes, and they came out very nicely. Just look at that. Give this a try, you'll really like it, and it doesn't really take time. It's easy to put up, you don't have much work to do. Throw everything inside your blender and let them do the blend for you. And here you have something to put in the go bag of the kids to school, and also to have your tea or milk in the morning. All right, see you in my next video. Bye bye.